What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this BMW 3 Series remote key fob. This BMW 3 Series key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2450, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video. It's where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and we're going to remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this button right here that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. Now I'm going to hold the key fob with the buttons facing down and take a look at the bottom of it. This is the slot right here that the emergency key slid out of. If we take a look right here, we see there's another slot that's about the shape of the key. What I'm going to do is take my key and push it straight in that notch. And as I do that, it pops this back cover up just a little bit, but you also may need to wiggle the key just a little bit like that. And as I do that, you can see it's popping the back cover up. We can pull the cover off like that. Now we see our battery right here. And you may be able to get this battery out with your fingers, but I find it easiest if you can grab a small screwdriver or something similar and get under the edge of it. Get our old battery out, then we'll grab our new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up, positive side up, and I'm going to tuck this outer edge in first, like that, and then snap it down into place. Then we'll grab this back cover, and if you notice on this top part of the back cover, there's that little tab right there. I'm going to slide that in first, that little tab, like that, and then snap the back cover down, slide the emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.